Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. We are traders. So you're gonna see here guys, euro versus JPY. This is the currency, and you can see here this is the trend line. Exactly, it's going on, and it's continuously taking resistance. If you wanted take in upside momentum, if it will consolidate and broken this, then you can expect your first target will be somewhere here guys. Second target, your third target. This will be the fourth and final target. Okay guys, in downside also what you have to see is that it has to broke this. Okay guys, this is the defending area of bias. If it will continuously came downside and take some barrier resistance, your first target will be here, second target will be third, and this will be the final and fourth target. Hope you are getting this. Here only maybe the market will be reversible guys, because of you can see here guys what happened is that here seller has been came, but buyer dominance is very much higher than what we expected. Okay guys, that's why it's going on upside momentum. Okay, we can see for GBP versus Japanese yen guys. So you can see here guys, this is the defending area right now for the buyers. Okay guys, for buyers this is the one of the major defending areas. Okay guys, right now it is in a consolidation phase only. So what we have to see is that if it has broken somewhere here only, this area has to broken. Okay guys, continuously, then it will broken take somewhere here only support. Then you can expect your first target will be here guys, second target will be the somewhere here, this will be the third target, and you can go for fourth target and fifth target 172 up till you can go through it. Okay guys, in downside also what we have to see is that if this will continuously goes sideways market and came downside, this will be broken, then you can expect up till here only guys your first and final. You can see here guys, if it will take a resistance, then you can expect your first, second and third target guys. Here only I have to tell you, and you can see here guys, I have already told you that this will act as a one of the major supporting area. So I will just extend it. You can see here guys, exactly it's taken here only support and make a upside momentum. Hope you have captured this and you have seen my previous videos also. Okay guys, we can see for USD versus CAD guys. In USD versus CAD you can seeing here is it's going on right now is uptrend momentum. Okay guys, what we have to see is right now is that here somewhere trend line is going on, and like this it will act as a resistance area. Okay guys, if it will go somewhere here only and taking resistance, then you can expect your first target guys, this will be the second, this will be the third and final target. But if this is broken, then you can go for fourth and fifth target too guys. Okay guys, in upside momentum I am not seeing anything. It became volatile or something. If some price action will be making, then I will definitely post you in my telegram channel. You can join there also, it is free. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex pair is GBP versus US dollar guys. In GBP versus US dollar guys, you can see here guys, this is the one of the major defending area is somewhere here. Okay guys, this is the defending area. Right now it's consolidating only. If this consolidation came downside somewhere like this, then you can expect your first target will be here, second target will be here, third target up till here, fourth target will be here, and your fifth target up till here you can easily reach out. Okay guys, if it will making a price action and taken resistance, then you can easily reach to your first target, second and third and final target. Here only one of the reversible also came, so you have to consciously trade somewhere here only guys. Okay guys, if somewhere here only you have taken a short position, then you have to square up somewhere here only, and you can take a long position from here. One-sided momentum you can get it. Okay guys, we can say for next major for euro versus US dollar guys. In euro versus US dollar, this is the one of the major defending area guys, because of you can see that it acted as a resistance and right now exactly taken a supporting area. Okay guys, if it will consolidate and broke this area, then you can easily expect your first target, second, and this will be the third and final target. Okay guys, in downside if it will consolidate and came downside taken resistance, our first target will be here, second target will be here, third and final target. Okay guys, hope you are getting this all analysis guys. If you have any doubt, please comment me down so I will get you the things right. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, so I will know it, so I will make a special video also, or I will do the comment on that thing so you can get the proper ideas. Okay guys, this will be the defending area. Okay guys, right now if this is broken, then what we have to do is, if this is broken, your first target will be here guys, second target, and your final target will be the third. Okay guys, if you can seeing here somewhere trend line also coming, if consolidate and taking resistance from this trend line, then broken, then our first target will be our second target, third and fourth and final target. Okay guys, hope you are getting all the analysis guys. If you have any doubt, sorry guys, if you have any doubt, please comment me down, so I will know that you are getting some facing the problem, so I will make out some new video about it. Okay guys, this will act as resistance. You can see here guys exactly, if taking resistance right now, if properly taken resistance or crosses this line, you can expect your first target will be here, second, third and final target. Okay guys, if somewhere here only you can see here guys, somewhere like this trend line is going on. Okay guys, just keep it. If taking resistance continuously consolidate, then your first target will be here, second target, third target, fourth and final target. Okay guys, hope you are getting the analysis guys. Okay, we can see for next is that NSD versus US dollar. Okay guys, here you can see here, this is the huge selling zone area. Okay guys, so where is the defending area is that here only the defending area what I am getting, because buyer dominance you are saying here. Okay guys, if you want here somewhere consolidate and taking the support somewhere, your first target will be a second target, if taken support then your third target and fourth target. Up till here you can take it out. Okay guys, if it will consolidate and broken, then take resistance our first target, second, third and final target. Okay guys, now we can see here guys. Okay, we have covered all the major pair guys. If you have any queries, any doubt, please comment me down and let me know that you are facing some problem, or I will update the some of the charts in my telegram channel. Also I am getting such a good or something very nice charts, so I will definitely update in my telegram channel. Also I have made it a crypto and commodity video also, go and check out there. If you have any doubt regarding that too, please comment me down, so I will make you the things more easier. Hope you are getting the all analysis. If you are getting any problem, so please comment me down and tell me guys. I frankly make another video on it, or I will explain you in the detail about it. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much guys.